Namo Namaha. Myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Parichayah. When we meet somebody for the first time, we usually introduce ourselves briefly. How to introduce ourselves in Sanskrit is shown here. It is our first step towards conversing in Sanskrit. Here we can see one cute boy and one cute girl. The boy is introducing himself. Aham Chhatrah. Mama Nama Maheshah. Mama Mata Lata. Mama Pita Prakashah. I am a student. My name is Mahesh. My mother Lata and my father Prakash. The Mahesh introduced his friend. Tvam Chhatra, Tvam Radha. You are a student, you are Radha. Here again one cute boy and one cute girl. Eshah Atharvah, Esha Rama. When someone is closer to us, that time we are using Eshah, Esha. Esha for masculine, Esha for feminine. Eshah Atharvah, this is Atharva. Esha Rama, this is Rama. Here Rahul is here and Megha. If the persons are far away from us, that time we are using Saha and Sa. Saha Rahul. He is Rahul. Sa Megha. She is Megha. Mama Parichayah. Aham Chhatrah, Chhatra Asmi. Chhatrah for masculine, Chhatra for feminine. I am student. Mama Nama Asti. Students, you have to write your name here. Mama Matuhu Nama Asti. Your mother's name. Mama Pituhu Nama Asti. Your father's name. Mama Bhratuhu Bhaginyaha Nama Asti. Bhratuhu means brother, Bhaginyaha means sister. Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. I am living in Mumbai. Aham Ashtami Kakshayam Pathami. I am studying in 8th standard. Mama Pathashalayaha Nama Thakur Vidya Mandiram Asti. My school name is Thakur Vidya Mandir. Mama Pathashala Mumbai Nagare Asti. My school is in Mumbai. Sanskrit Bhasha Mama Priya Bhasha Asti. Sanskrit language is my favorite language. In this way, students, you have to write your introduction in Sanskrit. Kah Ka Kim. Kah and Ka means who and Kim means what. Here we will see how to make the question with the help of Kah Ka Kim. Eshah Sah. Already we saw in the first slide how to use this. Let's see the examples. In first picture, we can see one monkey is jumping and that monkey is far away from us. So how to write the sentence? Saha Vanarah. He is monkey. Saha Vanarah. Saha Utpatati. Kaha Utpatati? Saha Vanarah Utpatati. Kaha Utpatati? Who is jumping? In this way we have to make the question and we will get the answer Saha Vanarah Utpatati. Here elephant is closer to us. So that's why we are using Eshaha Gajah. This is elephant. Eshaha Chalati. Kaha Chalati? Eshaha Gajah Chalati. Eshaha Mushakah. Eshaha Khadati. Kaha Khadati? Eshaha Mushakah Khadati. Kaha we are using for masculine noun or pronoun. Saha Chhatrah. He is a student. Saha Likhati. Kaha Likhati? Saha Chhatrah Likhati. which pronoun we are using? In the same way, we have to use the verb also. Saha likhati. Saha is a third person, so we have to use likhati also. Third person means likhati. Chitram društva vakyam likhat. You have to see the picture and you have to write the sentences. Here some pictures are given and you have to write the sentence and make the question. Like last slide we learn. In first picture, balakah pashyati. Second picture, meghaha varshati. Meghaha varshati. Third picture, simhaha garjati. Fourth picture, balakah क्रीडति. This arrow help us to who is far away from us and who is closer to us. So in this way we have to make the question here and sentence also. Esha sa. These pronouns we are using for feminine. See, this lady is going and far away from us. So we are using sa. Sa mahila. Sa gacchati. Ka gacchati. Sa mahila gacchati. For making the question, we are using ka for feminine. Ka gacchati. Sa mahila gacchati. Sa shikshika. Sa kathayati. Ka kathayati. Sa shikshika kathayati. Here we can see the picture of ant. Esha pipilika. The ant is closer to us. Esha pipilika. Esha khadati. Ka khadati. Esha pipilika khadati. In this way we have to make the question with the help of ka. In first picture we can see chhatra. Esha chhatra. Esha hasati. Ka hasati. Esha chhatra hasati. Chitram društva vakyam likhat. Here again some pictures are given. With the help of the pictures we can make the questions and we can make the sentences. How we made in last slide. These arrows help you which picture is closer to us, which picture is far away from us. In first picture, Mahila pibati. Second picture, Shikshika pathayati. Third picture, Balika khadati. Fourth picture, Chataka vadati. Now with the help of these things, we have to make the question and sentence also. If the things are neuter, that time we are using etat tad. If the things are closer to us, we are using etat. And if the things are far away from us, we are using tat. See in the first picture, the train is far away from us. So how to write the sentence? Tata reilayanam. Tata reilayanam. Tata dhavati. Kim dhavati. Tata reilayanam dhavati. Here we are using kim for asking the question. Kim. What is running? Tata reilayanam dhavati. Tata jalam. Tata vahati. Kim vahati? Tata jalam vahati. Here the fruit is closer to us. Etat phalam. Etat phalam. This is a fruit. Etat patati. Kim patati? Etat phalam patati. Fan. Fan means vyajanam. Etat vyajanam. Etat bhramati. Bhramati means what? Moving. Etat gumna. Etat bhramati. Kim bhramati? Etat vyajanam bhramati. In this way, with the help of the kim, we can make the questions. And with the help of the pronouns, we can make the sentences. Chitram društva vakyam likhat. Here some pictures are given. You have to see the pictures and make the sentences. wheel, chakra, chakram, yanam, and kamalam. With the help of these pictures and names, we have to make the pictures and we have to make the questions like we made in the last slide. Now here we will see the word atra, tatra, kutra. Atra means here, tatra means there, kutra means where. In this picture we can see Shunakaha atra, Balika atra. Shunaka means dog. The dog is here and the girl also is here. Kandukaha kutra, where is the ball? Kandukaha atra. The ball also is here only. Parvataha kutra, Parvataha tatra. The mountains are there. Vrukshaha kutra, the vruksha is also there. Nadi kutra, Nadi tatra. Vayuhu kutra, where is the air? Vayuhu sarvatra. We can see the air everywhere, so sarvatra. Prakashaha kutra, where is the light? Prakashaha sarvatra. The light is everywhere. Yanam kutra, Yanam means vehicle. Where is the vehicle? Yanam atra nasti. Here vehicle is not there. Here vehicle is not here. Yanam tatra nasti. There also vehicle is not there. Yanam anyatra. The vehicle is elsewhere, somewhere else. So in this way we are using atra, tatra, kutra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra. Ekatra means together. In this picture, what is together? Gruham, rukshaha cha ekatra. House and tree is together. So gruham, rukshaha cha ekatra. In this way we can use the words atra, tatra, kutra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra. Manjushayaha sahayena vakyani rachayat. Manjushaha means here some words are given. With the help of these words and verbs we have to make the sentences. For example, Chataka vadati. Harinaha chalati. In this way we have to make the sentences. Yogya stambeshu shabdan likhat. Here some columns are there and in columns pronouns are using here. Saha, sa, tat. Saha means he, sa means she, and tat for it. So according to the gender you have to find out the words and you have to write the words in the column. For example, Lata. Lata is a feminine word. So the Lata will come in Sa's column. So in this way you have to make the answers. You have to write the answers. Second, Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Mrugaha Dhavati. Kaha Dhavati. Already we learn how to make the questions. So here some sentences are given, you have to make the questions. धन्यवादः.